everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to effortlessly transfer data from one Huawei phone to another. First, open your browser and visit the official website of MobiKin. Then, find MobiKin Transfer for Mobile product page and click to download. Once downloaded, follow the prompts to install the software. This tool is not only powerful, but also user-friendly. It helps efficiently transfer various data types between two Huawei phones. After installation, connect both Huawei phones to the computer using USB cables. It will automatically detect the two connected phones. Here, you can choose the data types you want to transfer. With everything ready, click the Start Copy button. MobiKin Transfer for Mobile will now swiftly and securely transfer the selected data from one phone to another. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a notification indicating a successful data migration. Using MobiKin Transfer for Mobile, you can easily solve the data transfer issue between Huawei phones. Want to give it a try? Check the video description for the download link.